teachers at the door. She loves to talk about anything and tells us many stories. Not only is she kind to her fellow classmates, but is also patient and kind with her two sisters. To her parents, Hugo and Stephen, thank you for entrusting us with your daughter and allowing us to be a part of her amazing life. Fiona-chan, thank you for showing me how to not worry about all the small things in life, how to smile and be happy even though I am not having a great day, how to love my life, how to be patient, but most of all, how to be resilient. Please come up and get your well-deserved award.
Congratulations, Fiona McGahey, and thank you, Mrs. Hirota. Okay, moving on to kindergarten. We will have Miss Alia Parker present. And this is the Guardian Angel Award.
Good morning. Zetasis will be receiving the Guardian Angel Award for looking out for Linapuni and taking care of Linapuni School. I want to congratulate Zetasis on earning this award. Ever since I joined Linapuni and became her teacher, she has been a joy to have in class. She greets every day with a smile for her classmates and is helpful, attentive, and enthusiastic about learning. She is a valued and valuable member of the Linapuni Elementary School community and a wonderful example to her peers. Congratulations on your achievement.
Thank you, Miss Alia Parker, and congratulations, Zetasis. The Guardian Angel Award is important because at Linapuni, our school vision is to prepare scholars who learn, play, and work together to make this world a better place. And Zetasis certainly did her part. So thank you, Zetasis. For grade 1, this student will receive the Outstanding Award for volunteering to be our school community council student representative. And she would come to meetings every month after school for the school council meeting, and she would sit attentively, and she was a good listener. Every month she volunteered her time. And she also will receive the Perfect Attendance Award for 3 years. And also she has been a bucket filler for 4 quarters. So I would like to present this award, the HPD award, to Shira Selesele. Congratulations to Shira Sele Sele. Okay, I will now turn it over to the MC.
Thank you for your hard work. Next, a special treat. The Linapuni cultural dancers under the directions of Kumualena. Dancers, the stage is yours. Take it away.